Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G Phone Tech, and today I'm gonna unbox and review the OnePlus TV U series. Specifically, the one I have with me is the U1 55-inch TV model. This TV is also available in 50 and 65-inch configurations. Before we get into the review part of this TV, let's first unbox it. Apart from this 55-inch OnePlus U1S TV, you get stands for mounting it on the desk. There is also a bracket that is available in the box for wall mounting it. Then you have the user manual, an AV adapter cable, screws to attach the desktop stand, a remote control, battery to operate the remote controls, the Red Cable Club card, and the power cord. You can also wall mount this TV, but for this review I'm just gonna desk mount it. And this 55-inch model has got one AV port, one RJ45 port, one RF port, one optical port, 3 HDMI ports, and 2 USB 2.0 ports. The design of this TV is pretty much made of plastic, but it is made of a very good grade polycarbonate material. The finishing at the back, the joints, the gapless design, they all come together and say that this is a TV that is built to look like a premium TV. The bezels around the display are also very thin. The bottom bezel has got a small chin with a OnePlus logo nicely engraved on it. The remote that comes with this TV is a smart remote control. The power button also doubles up as a button to invoke the OnePlus Oxygen Play software on the TV. But overall, the buttons on this remote feels nice and gives you a good tactile feedback. Once the TV is completely set up, you can now notice that this is an official Android certified TV running on Android 10 TV OS. It hasn't got any special skins on it, but there is a software called OnePlus Oxygen Play, which has a list of curated content across different services which you have subscribed to. The software user experience has nicely been laid out, and you can also configure your own watch list and control most part of this Oxygen Play from your mobile phone as well. There is a dedicated kids mode which gives you a peace of mind when your kids are operating this TV. The OnePlus U1S TV has Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi, and has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Alright, I am done with my first impression and specifications tour of the OnePlus U series TV. Now let's dive into the meaty part of it, which you have all been waiting for, the display. The display on all three sizes of the U1S 50, 55 and 65-inch TV are all 4K UHD displays. They all support HDR10, HLG and HDR10+. OnePlus claims that their Gamma engine makes the viewing experience even more better, and they also have this motion estimation and motion compensation technology, which is fondly known as MEMC in the industry. While some have a very questionable hate or love relationship with this MEMC technology, I personally found it to be good on this particular OnePlus TV. The display brightness is good, but I found the color saturation to be a bit on the higher side. The contrast were deep and the black levels were also absolutely spot on. The only thing that disturbed my eyes were the high color saturation, but there are some people who really love highly saturated image viewing experience. Apart from that, the display is really good, no light bleeding issues. Though it is not a QLED TV, this LED LCD TV by itself gives me a very good contrast levels and a good viewing experience. Let's talk about sound. The OnePlus TV U series comes with a 30 watt of sound output. The speakers are downfiring and it is a stereo configuration. The audio is tuned and enhanced by Dyne Audio, and this audio system also supports Dolby Audio. The speakers are really loud, and for most cases you wouldn't be needing an additional sound system or an external speaker for this TV. But if you need a really rich experience, probably you'll have to invest in a home theater system for this TV as well. But on its own, I found the bass to be really good. The dialogue clarity was well pronounced, and so was the treble quality on the speakers. Having said all this, I find this OnePlus TV U series to be well built and definitely qualified to be called as a premium offering. A couple of points to note: that the display saturation is a bit high and it does not support Dolby Vision, and there is no support for Dolby Atmos sound as well. Other than that, if you own other OnePlus products like the OnePlus Audio products, pairing them with this TV is kind of seamless. If you have a OnePlus watch, you can use the OnePlus watch to control the volume of the TV, and if you fall asleep wearing your OnePlus watch, this TV also goes to sleep. OnePlus or not, if you own any Android system, you can install this Oxygen Connect application and use your mobile phone as a remote control if required. So, should you buy this OnePlus TV U series or not? At the end of the day, whatever being said or done, it all comes with a price. The 50-inch model is priced at 43,999 rupees, and that is a Diwali offer that's going on right now. And the 55-inch model is priced at rupees 49,999 rupees, while the 65-inch model is priced at 67,000 rupees, and you can take off 5,000 rupees from the price with some additional card benefits that is also available. If you are liking what you are seeing, do check out the description for more information and more details about the offers that's going on this TV right now. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the content and if you like to watch more from this channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, hit the like button and do share your thoughts in the comment section as well. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.